This example is for managing a quality service at grade 6.7. It has been created using the guidance and example statements from the guide you can download with the link in the description. That guide provides clear advice on how to write your own statements and includes full examples across all behaviors. I believe that delivering a high-quality service requires a deep understanding of customer needs and a commitment to continuous improvement. That first sentence is a simple opener, but it sets out a clear belief. It anchors the rest of the statement in the candidate's understanding of what quality service means. This kind of framing is good as long as it's immediately followed by a specific example seen, and in this case, it is. As a customer support team leader, I was tasked with improving our service response times and customer satisfaction rates. The challenge was to achieve this without significantly increasing costs. Now we've got the core of the star structure. The situation is clear, the task is defined, and the constraint, no significant cost increase, is an important detail that makes the rest of the example more credible. I started by analyzing customer feedback and support ticket data to identify common issues and bottlenecks. It became clear that our response times were lagging due to inefficient processes and a lack of streamlined communication. This shows proactive evidence gathering. It's also good use of data, not just feedback, but ticket analysis. The writer doesn't jump to solutions. They start by diagnosing the problem properly. That's a core feature of effective delivery examples at this grade. I devised a plan to overhaul our support system, beginning with the introduction of a new ticketing software that prioritized and categorized inquiries more effectively. I also implemented a live chat feature on our website to provide immediate assistance, which addressed the need for quicker response. This is a good action section. It gives us two clear interventions in your new ticketing software and live chat. And it explains why each one was useful. It's particularly strong because the actions match the earlier diagnosis. The problems were prioritization and slow response, and these changes directly tackle both. To ensure that these changes were cost-effective, I conducted a thorough cost-benefit analysis and found that the new system would reduce the workload on our support team by automating repetitive tasks, allowing them to focus on more complex issues. This reinforces that the example aligns with the original constraint, improving service without significantly increasing cost. Mentioning cost-benefit analysis also helps to demonstrate a considered and measured approach to implementation, which is expected at grade 7. I trained my team on the new system, emphasizing the importance of providing empathetic and efficient service. I also set up regular feedback sessions to monitor the effectiveness of these changes and gather suggestions for further improvements. This covers both implementation and sustainability. The training and feedback loop show that the example wasn't just about making a one-off change, but embedding and improving it over time. The mention of empathy is also good. It ties back to the quality element of the behavior. The results were remarkable. Our average response time decreased by 50% and customer satisfaction scores increased by 30%. Always include results where possible, and these are strong ones, specific, quantifiable, and clearly tied to the actions described. It shows impact and justifies the example's inclusion in the statement. This experience reinforced my belief in the importance of understanding customer needs, leveraging technology, and continuously seeking feedback to manage a quality service effectively. That final sentence ties it back to the behavior title without naming it directly, and it ends on a confident note. It isn't essential, but it works here because the statement is otherwise focused and factual. If you want the full set of guidance and example statements this has been built from, use the link in the description to download the guide. It will help you shape your own statements with confidence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more job application help.